Welcome to the Liberty Road with me, Andrew Moran. Wall Street is seeing red over President Donald Trump's Greenland Gambit. The stock market returned from the long weekend to a sea of red ink, with the leading benchmark indexes firmly down. Traditional safe haven assets also struggled during the trading session. The US dollar index, a measure of the greenback against a weighted basket of currencies, declined about 1%. The 10-year Treasury yield was at 4.3%, above the level when the Federal Reserve started cutting interest rates in September. But one asset class maintained its meteoric ascent: metals. Gold and silver prices continued to climb to the top of the mountain. Gold reached an all-time high of $4,700 per ounce, while silver also reached a record high of $95 per ounce. Traders have been waiting to hit the sell button on their stocks since the president posted a January 17th Truth Social post threatening to impose tariffs on European NATO members as part of efforts to purchase the Danish territory of Greenland. Geopolitical tensions worsened when the president said he would impose 200% tariffs on French wine and champagne, and he later slammed the British government for handing over the Chagos Islands to Mauritius. So, is it time to panic? Krishna Guha, head of global policy and central banking strategy at Evercore ISI, wrote in a note to clients that this is a, quote, sell America trade that is in full swing. But if this were the case, then equities in foreign markets would be soaring, while government bond yields would be tanking. Instead, Asian and European stock market indexes are plunging 1%, the UK government bond yields are soaring, and the Japanese 30-year bond yield spiked almost 30 basis points to a record high of 3.9%. So, what comes next? Only President Trump knows that. In the meantime, there are a plethora of tailwinds traversing through the US marketplace, from fiscal policy stimulus to Federal Reserve policy easing, not to mention the $7 trillion sitting in cash on the sidelines waiting to be deployed during the dip. Long term, perhaps the world will diversify away from the United States. For now, it's just the way the market is. Thanks for listening. You're on the Liberty Road, a production of LibertyNation.com.